Maitu tariki imwe mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu niguo makiri maruti a wira thirikari aria marihagwo mishara ya gikiro gia thi makambiriria kwamukira nyongerera ya mushara ya gicunje kia 6 hari 100 one thutha wa gukinyanira kwa miario ya uiguano gatagati ga thirikari nene na ciama cia aruti a wira bururi-ini odumwe na aruti a wira. Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni ekirire woira gwikirwo kirore kwa notithi no gatheti-ini ya thirikari ni Minister wa Labour Dagitari Alfred Mutua umuthi ari thingira-ini wa iregi guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Makiri maruti a wira thirikari aria marihagwo mishara ya gikiro gia thi mari na undu wa gukenerera o ari thutha wa thirikari kuongerera mishara yao na gicunje kia 6 hari 100. Ari thingira-ini wa iregi umuthi President William Ruto ni ekirire woira wa notithi ya nyongerere no igikirwo kirore niguo gucabithio gatheti-ini ya thirikari ni Minister wa Labour Dagitari Alfred Mutua kuri aruti aya a wira makambiriria kwamukira nyongerere no tariki 1 mweri ukite. Nyongerere no yukite thutha wa gukinyanira kwa miario ya uiguano iria yoete ihinda ria mieri 100 gatagati ga thirikari nene ciama cia aruti a wira guku bururi-ini hamwe na aruti a wira thirikari.
Na ndio mimi nataka sasa nimwambie waziri wetu wa Labour aite kamati ile inahusika na waketi chini, minimum wage tuongeze at least minimum by 6%.
Aruti a wira aria matathomeire kothi oro yothe riu maria mukagira mushara wa shiringi 7,997 oro mweri kana ki muthenya shiringi 335 na waria mari gikiro-ini kia urithia wa mahiu maria mukagira shiringi 9,235 oro mweri na waruti a wira a nyumba hamwe na bishi maririhagwo shiringi 9,129 oro mweri na ofomani maria mukagira shiringi 14,427 oro mweri. Na tuo turani twa migunda-ini turia mukagira shiringi 14,427 oro mweri guku nao matereba matiganite amatinga ma urimi makiamukira gatagati ga shiringi 9,000 nginyanagia shiringi 11,000 oro mweri. Hindi ya mambura ma gukungwira muthi wa aruti a wira tariki 1 mweri wa gatano mwaka uyu ari kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Gardens, President William Ruto ni augire nyongerere no ni ya kugacirithiria aruti a wira miturire niguo mahote gwitiria kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire.
Mambo tutarekebisha, uchumi tutazalisha na kila mtu atapata haki yake tukisonga mbele.
Kuhana uguo thirikari ni hinyiriirie wirutiri wayo hari kwambatiria ikiro cia muturire kuri aruti a wira a guku bururi-ini. Muigana wa maabitha 600 a borithi a guku bururi-ini nio matanyite gugatumwo bururi-ini wa Haiti kiambiriria-ini kia mweri ukite niguo kunyita itemi birigiceni-ini ya gucokia thayo bururi-ini ucio kumana na kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia ikundi cia wikinai. Undu uyu wikiritwo mukonde ni munene wa borithi bururi-ini Douglas Kanja hindi icera ria Prime Minister wa Haiti Gary Conille thukuru-ini wa kuheana mathomo ma maabitha borithi wa Embakasi. Prime Minister Conille uria uri icera-ini ria kiwira guku bururi-ini atogiririe maabitha borithi a Kenya ni undu wa wirutiri wao guthie gucokia thayo bururi-ini wa Haiti.
We will be ready by early next month. That's the time we'll conclude this training and we will be ready for deployment. Thank you. The deployment of police, National Police Service, is a requirement to ensure that we have, peace and security in our country. And number two, internally, we are there again to ensure that our brothers and sisters who occupy that part of our country are also safe and secure. We have been with him since morning, conducting him around the NPS so that he can be able to see where we have gotten the officers who are deployed in Haiti right now and who are doing quite a commendable job. We have additional officers right now here, all drawn from the National Police Service, from the formed up units of the National Police Service. They have been prepared. Actually, we have been carrying out the pre-deployment training in readiness to deploy them again to go and continue supporting their brothers and sisters who are already in Haiti.
The ultimate goal is for the Kenyan and the forces that are there, and not just Kenyan forces, are able to leave, but leave a Haiti that has the capacity to deal with its security issues. We were also going to be discussing the next deployment of 600 police that the President has already announced, the timeline for it, the expertise and profiles that would be needed, the complementary support that is actually required so that they can function effectively. And so these discussions, of course, will remain ongoing, but we wanted to come in person to have a good sense of where we're going to be in the next few weeks in this fight against lawlessness.
Tugetigana na icio muhuraniri wa giturwa kia AUC bururi-ini Raila Odinga ni agomanite na ambunge a kiama giki gikaro-ini kia thikũ ithatũ gicua-ini kuria ahurite muhuri utongoria mweru wa kiama giki. Kigomano giki kiria giukite kiumia-ini kiria ambunge ODM maikirie kura ya kuhamurithia munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua. Raila erite ambunge aya mekirire maundu marathingatithia thayu wa bururi na matigetigire kuyukia miekera fatara utongoria wao itanya-ini ria gutwarithia na mbere thirikari ya based. Ona gutwika ndeto eno ya kuhagura munini wa President ndinacirirwo na warie kwaya ni imwe ya agenda iria igwikirirwo riri bunge ya Senate itanyito kuyukia cira uyu kiumia giukite.
Leo tumezindua uongozi mpya, wale ambao wamechaguliwa au uteuliwa kulinda chama chetu katika hii kiwango pale tumefika. Hapo tumeona tuko na mwenyekiti mpya, Mama Gladys Wanga. Tuna naibu wa mwenyekiti watatu. Maona Simba, maona hapo Abdul Samad, maona Bwana Osoti. Na vile ambaye atanishikilia niko mimi mwenyewe sana naenda kwa vita huko kupambana kwa kiti ya halmashauri ya Afrika, bara ya Afrika. Sio mwingine kwa yule katibu mkuu mwanzilishi Profesa Peter Nyang'nyong. Mimi na hakika ya kwamba chama iko mikononi ya dereva ambaye anaweza.
Riboti yo yatwikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu hwaini uyu no ni tugukorwo tugicokereria oro ringi gutamburukirie mangi maingi na njira nyandanduku ona cihanda thaa 3 thiini wa